Hi guys, so today Ms. Shweta here. So today I am going to start off with the new chapter of English grammar. So punctuation and capital letters. So before starting up this, you should write this thought. The difference between a good day and a bad day is your attitudes. Okay. Now punctuation and capital letters. Punctuation and capital letters. Punctuation is having seven marks, that is full stop, comma, colon, semicolon, mark of interrogation, exclamatory mark and inverted commas or quotation marks. Inverted commas and quotation marks are one of the same things. Fine. Full stop, like simple sentences are there, like she is very tall, we all are Indians, and New Delhi is the capital of India. Fine. These put full stop at the end, and comma, he likes potato, comma, tomato, comma, and watermelon, comma, etc. Fine. And at the last it's full stop. Okay. Colon, sometimes we write a definition, and after writing definition I wrote sometimes like this only. I put colon there, colon and dash sign. Fine. Like this I wrote like French. Okay. Thus I am writing the French as a word and I am writing this definition. So I will put this. I usually write this only. Okay. So in semicolon it's the dot, above is the dot and comma in the, and after that fifth is the mark of interrogation. Mark of interrogation, you can ask the question mark, means WH family questions or yes or no questions, like what is your name, who is the what is the difference between this word and this word. Fine. Like this only. And okay, now interrogation. I was telling that from WH family questions or yes or no questions anyone can ask you, like why were you absent yesterday, what is your name, what is the difference between a French and English, so that you can write. Fine. And these are the WH family, and can you able to write this word, and can you write this word in French language or in Urdu language or in Bengali language. Like these questions can be put down. Huh? Like mark of exclamation. Mark of exclamation means alas, ah, wow. Like these words you can use. Okay. Now when you get some pain, then you say na, ouch, I got some pain. Like that you can say. Okay. Inverted commas and quotation marks. Now there, like I have said yes, that Ramesh said, comma, inverted commas. You can write comma also and inverted comma, comma also, and instead of that you can write colon also. Instead of comma you can write colon also. So Ramesh said, comma or colon, start inverted commas. Tea is grown in Assam, and inverted commas close with full stop at the end. Okay. Now I will tell you the explanation of these. Now full stop and comma. Full stop is used at the end of assertive and imperative sentences. Like I go to school by bus. Learn this poem by heart. Okay. Learn this poem by heart is imperative, and assertive is that I go to school by bus. Okay. And then use for initials or abbreviations, means like I have wrote that VK Kumar. Full stop is used in abbreviations, and initials these are used. Like I told some example that when you wrote some, like you make some notes and there you write the taught by equal to, like I am giving you example Mrs. full stop Rajni Khurana. Okay. This is the initial, means taught by whom that lesson is taught. Okay. Like I am giving my example to you that this lesson is taught by whom? Miss dot Vihita Khurana. Okay. Then comma, to separate a series of words of same part of speech, means like as I have gave you example of he ate bananas, comma, watermelon, comma, melon, comma, muskmelon, comma, etc. Okay. Their commas are used to set off a noun of address means like I am saying Reena comma, come here, and at the end full stop. Okay, then to set off the phrases in apposition. Apposition is that like we are talking about a Mr. Boss. Mr. Boss, comma, the principal of the school, comma, take care of students. Yeah, look after students. Okay, and at the end full stop. We are talking about one person, Mr. Boss, and two things are talked about him. Like he is the principal of school and take care of students. Okay, that word is known as the apposition. By whom? Which we are talking about one person and two to more things are told about him or her. Okay, wherever a brief pause is needed means if you want some help, comma, write to me, full stop at the end. Okay, now I will tell you semicolon and colon. Okay, now this is semicolon and colon. And semicolon used to separate a series of short clauses. Like for example, I said like I sang, semicolon, I danced, semicolon, with joy. Okay, this was the example, and at the end full stop. Colon used to mark off a direct quotation means like we say direct quotation, like I have told you example, Ramesh said, I told that colon and comma is used there, and inverted comma started, inverted commas, he that tea is grown in Assam, and inverted commas closed. Okay, then used to introduce a list means for example I am telling the list of newspapers, Hindustan Times, Times of India, comma, semicolon will be there, colon will be there, like let me give newspapers, then colon, and then the examples of newspapers, Hindustan Times and Times of India. Okay, and used to introduce an explanation means all she did was good, full stop, and uske baad colon, and after that you can tell one line also. Okay, what she has done, the good or that thing you can explain. Okay, so bye guys, this was my first part of this video, is punctuation and capital letters. After 3 marks are left, you can see in my part 2. Okay, bye guys, take care, please like and share my video and comment in the section. Okay, bye.